Welcome to House of Party. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Hocus Pocus balloon garland. Before we get started, I want to share with you that now House of Party offers multiple Halloween themed balloon garland kits. These kits include such themes as classic Halloween with black, white, and orange balloons, pink Halloween with black, white, orange, and pink, Nightmare Before Christmas with black and white balloons, a candy corn theme with white, yellow, and orange balloons, including trick-or-treat foil balloons, a witchy theme balloon garland, including black, white, lime green, and purple balloons, and a Hocus Pocus fan pack. Before we get started, here are a few items you might need: a hand pump or an electric balloon pump. In your kit, you will receive 4 bags of 12-inch balloons, 4 bags of 5-inch balloons, 3 bags of 10-inch balloons, 2 bags of 18-inch balloons, your Hocus Pocus foil balloons, and your accessory kit to help you hang your garland. Now let's get to work. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna blow up all of our balloons, but I'm gonna start with my size 12-inch. I'm gonna start by using my electric pump. If you want more of a rounder balloon, you're just gonna press the top of the balloon, release some air, just like this, and you'll get more of a rounder look. Now it's time for our 10-inch. This one's a little bit smaller, just like this. This is the 18-inch. Do the same thing over and over. You will know when to stop blowing up your 18-inch when your balloon starts looking egg-shaped. And here's the 5-inch. I like using my hand pump for the 5-inch. It's just a lot easier. You want to pull the neck of this balloon all the way down and go ahead and start pumping. You can make these a little big or smaller. This one's up to you. Just like that. Now that all your latex balloons are filled up, let's work on our foils. In your foil bag, you're gonna receive a straw. If you don't have a hand pump, this one's super easy. All you do is insert the straw into the valve and go ahead and blow it up. Or get your hand pump and you do the same thing, insert it into the valve. After you blow up all of your foil balloons, you want to make sure you just place them out to make sure that you're spelling the word Hocus Pocus correctly, so you know exactly what order they are going in when you hang your Hocus Pocus foils. Now that all your balloons are blown up, now it's time to start attaching them to your strip here. We are going to make sure to leave at least 3 holes available for the very end. That is what we're going to use to hang our garland with. So I'm gonna grab my 12-inch balloon. This is what I'm gonna start with. Now, when you're attaching your balloons, you can attach them however you want, or you can follow the picture behind me here. Starting with the same colors, you can do the same thing, or you can just put the balloons in however you want. So we're gonna crisscross every balloon. So we're gonna start with one end. You're gonna grab the neck, pull it through the bigger hole until the tie goes through, and then you're gonna attach it and lock it in there, just like that. I'm gonna crisscross all the balloons. So here's an example of what your garland should start looking like. I went ahead and attached different sizes, crisscrossing and putting an 18-inch at the bottom. I'm gonna continue this process all the way until the very end of this strip, and then I'm gonna be showing you how to hang your garland. In your kit, you're gonna receive these 2 hooks. These 2 hooks work really good on stucco, brick, and drywall. If you're planning on doing it on drywall, you're gonna wanna use painter's tape to protect your paint. Now let me show you how to attach your garland to your hook. As you can see here, I went ahead and added the painter's tape, then the hook, making sure that all the air bubbles are out. And now we get to hang our balloon garland, and it should look something like this. Now it's time to hang your foils. In your kit, you're going to receive a roll of string in order to attach your letters together. To attach your letters together, you're going to run the string through each of the top holes. Once you have them all together, you're going to tie them on each end. That way you can secure it wherever you want. Now for your final step, you're going to be using your glue dots to place your 5-inch balloons and a few of your 10-inch balloons. To place your glue dots on your 5-inch balloons, you're going to want to gently press 1 or 2 dots per balloon and attach it where you feel that it is needed. And when you find the balloon that you want to attach it to, you just push it down and it should stay just like that. And you're going to do the same thing with your 10-inch. Place a glue dot, pull away gently, neck always facing into the garland. Just like that. With that, you're all done and you should have a garland that looks something like this. Thank you for choosing House of Party. We hope this video has been helpful. If you would like to purchase this product, the link is in the description below. We'll see you next time.